Fake potion season is here. Time to make some serious money. Magic potions for sale. Don't be shy.
Wow.
Confidence elixir. One sip and your confidence will skyrocket. Only 5 gold coins.
What about that one?
Beauty potion. Makes you the prettiest girl in school. 10 gold coins.
I'll take it.
Hi, Aljo. I saved up enough to buy a potion.
Well, well. Even the poor kid wants a taste of magic. What'll it be?
The confidence elixir, please. I have a presentation tomorrow.
Great choice. You'll blow everyone away. Guaranteed.
Thank you. I can't wait to try it. I don't feel any different. This tome contains, ancient spells that can,
Spit it out already, Jitter Boy.
Aljo, please. That potion didn't work. I need my coins back.
The potion works fine. Maybe you're just incompatible with confidence. Hey, May. Looking prettier already?
Prettier? I broke out in horrible acne.
Relax. That's just a temporary side effect. It'll clear up in a few days. Promise.
I never should have bought that stupid potion.
Are you all right, Nana Rosalind?
Don't worry about me, dear. Focus on your studies.
I'll find a way to cure your illness, Nana. I promise. Aljo, please. I heard you have a healing potion. My grandmother is very sick.
Oh, wasn't I a scammer just the other day?
I take it back. Please, Aljo, I'll do anything.
That's a nice watch you got there. That'll cover the cost.
This was my grandfather's. Please take good care of it.
Sure. Here's your potion. Now scram.
You're going to be fine, Nana. I promise.
I still feel ill, dear. You've been tricked.
I knew it. I traded Grandpa's watch for that fake potion.
Bring me parchment and a quill, now.
Nana, what are you going to do?
I'm writing to the Alchemist Council. I may be old, but I still have friends in high places.
Step right up, folks. Potions for every problem.
You there, are you the potion seller they call Aljo?
Is that Master Vasily the Unbribed? The Grand Alchemist?
Yes, that's me. Why are you asking?
I received a complaint about fraudulent potions being sold here.
They're lying. My potions work perfectly.
Then prove it. Pour one of your potions into the Truth Brew cauldron.
What happens if I do?
If the potion is real, you will be blessed. If it is fake, the Guardian will judge you.
Please let this work. Please let this work. What is that thing?
You have summoned Mahabuba, the ancient guardian who punishes deceivers.
Stay away from me!
Your grandmother will be healed. I will see to it myself.
Thank you, Master Vasily.